2010 Malibu LS 3.5 V6, and we are flex fuel hybrid. We're doing the headlamp. First things first, we're gonna pop the hood, disconnect that negative battery cable since we're dealing with electrical parts. Now let's test them out. Oh, what the hell? Let's just alrighty. Well, yeah, passenger headlight. Hood latch is there. Gonna lift that up. I'm gonna apply the emergency brake in case we want to jack this baby up. I'm gonna get the key and turn the wheel all the way to the left. I actually don't mind taking it off. Ooh, they need a rotor. I can feel that. In the other video, they're just rotating the tire to the left. I am killing time until a battery charges at O'Reilly for a customer. So we're gonna jack it up right there on that location. Let's go put the emergency brake on and let's break these lugs. Push down as far as you can, like you're trying to go through the wall back there. Just get a little inch of movement so you can know that the jack is supporting the vehicle. All right, and this is a 19. Gonna break this sucker. We got the jack supported. Just gonna break these lugs. Well, we have plastic covers on here for the hubcap. Still gonna do the pattern, even though it's just plastic. Let's take our hubcap off. Now we can actually break the lug nuts. Jack this baby up. As soon as you see it spinning, you can put your hand on it. It's high enough. Don't overwork yourself. This stud is kind of rusty, but the studs come on the hood. Right, let's get this tire off. Pause. Alright, and we're just gonna remove these here, there. That should be enough. Y'all seen what I did with the maximum. I just needed a hands room. That should be enough. If not, we'll go higher. Let's get our trim tool. Pinch it out. Gonna get all of these up. There's actually a 10mm bolt right there, and it is. Got it out. We're gonna get in here with our trim tool. Like that. Whenever you don't know what to grab when you're dealing with trim or body, always use this. Something like that, it'll help you out. Alright, and there's a bolt right here. Looks like a 10mm. Most likely, let's get that. Alright. Yep, and it is. Catch that. Before we get to anything electrical, let's take this negative cable off. Make sure it's not touching any metal. Alright, we're gonna remove this out of our way so we can get this front part of the bumper off. And it is some more. They look smaller. Got a trim piece right there and 2 of these that we're gonna take off. All right, when we have that off, let's go over here, pop this side up. Okay. All right, there we go. Better safe than sorry. So we do got to get this top part off. There we go. I would rather go soft and barely than go, don't be a gorilla with people's stuff. So if you're looking at me saying he acting scared, yeah, nah, I'm being smart. All right, let's get, all right. Put this one out there. And we see where it's holding right there. It's gonna push out. And there's one bulb there. This is the bulb we're placing. The low beam is on the outside. And that one is right here. So we don't even have to remove more of the bumper. What we're gonna do is go in here. If you wanna go more comfortable than this, then yeah, but I'm used to this. And we're gonna twist counterclockwise and pull out once we hit the wall. And if that orange ring is stuck in there, you need to pull that out because the new light will have its on. All right, now, this is the part where you basically pull down on the ears on the side. Pull this one out and the other one out. If you have to, you can use a flathead and then pull the light up and out of the socket, like up that way. I'm about to do that now. There we go. Oh boy. All right, got it. Let's get our new bulb. And that baby is blowed. Let's get our new bulb. All right, this is the H11 bulb. That's basically the part number because you can get it off the owl. Let's compare. Alrighty, make sure the pins line up. And if you want to look at that, look at that. There we go. Let's get this baby in. And like I say, if this was stuck in there, I need to get it out because it won't go in. This one has its own ring. Alright, now let's plug that into the terminal. You see the line slot going in that way? Go closer. There you go. You see the line slot going in that way? And you see how it is right there. So It's gonna be like that. Like that. And you're gonna hear the click and it'll be firm. It should not pull straight out. Now let's just insert that back in. Got a view? Okay, yeah, perfect. And remember we twisted sideways, so we're gonna start sideways. Like that. And we're gonna twist like that. It should not move. And if she still had the same problem, then this is the pigtail you would have to replace. You would have to splice just the wires that's going to that connector. That would be the problem if you change this bulb and it's still not working. So now we're just gonna slide this back into the slot. And it's a 10 millimeter in here right there. Right there. Light assembly will be able to wedge out. So, alright, get up. Alright, so if you want to change the high beam or anything else, you could. And it's a much easier way to adjust this to get it lined up. So now we can, this is the tab that's causing trouble. This little point right here is supposed to go in here. And if we couldn't get it far enough over. So now we can put that in first, which I won't be able to catch on camera. And line this up with the car. And over here, we can put this in that hole. And everything will line up just fine. So you were gonna have to tell you want to take the whole bumper off, but you need to go ahead and do the bottom 9/32 screws to get this baby lined up as that. And it is more of a headache than it looks, but it is easy. Alright, now I'm about to start my screws while I'm holding it flush. This hole right here will line up exact. Alright, get it up and down the screw. Alright, now we're gonna hold this up even and flush. And I'm gonna start this screw right there. Alright, I'll do that.
It's the same.
Mm-hmm. Get it some more. Alright. And your light shouldn't move at all. Now we're just gonna slide these back into the slots. I'm gonna get my trim tool and lift up on that. And these will go up and over into that slot. Yeah, it's gonna take a little strength. You gotta lift up and slide it in there. Here, get this. Get that off. Gotta watch that finger. Like that. Here. Same deal. Really, you can use a pry bar, whatever it takes. There we go. Alright. Now we're gonna go ahead and preload that and tighten it back up here. Alright, gonna line this back up. Then go back over here. Say that again.
Do you want your hat?
Oh no, I don't need that. Hell, I don't even need my brain. I'm just a wrench. Alright, and push pin. Boom, like that. Let's put a push pin here in the main one. And let's put another one here. Alright, here. Alright, now that should be in and sturdy. Let's put our tire back on. And you can go ahead and get them a free inspection if you want while you're down here. I mean, that's just another job for you. Anyway, but I know we need to get this rotor changed. Got some lines of pitting going on with cross. I can feel and see. Pads are good and okay. Strut, we'll have to see when we got the weight on the ground. We'll see if it's we'll lean on the top of the car and see how it is. Stabilizer and link is good. Outer tie rod end is good. CV axle is good. I don't see any damage on the control arm. On either side, let's see that ball joint. Yeah, so, and we don't really know about the hook. Kind of got to spin the wheel for that, and we just know we got a little bit of rust on the back end. So she's good for now. All right, so we're just gonna let them know about the rotor. Everything else over here is good so far. This back down. Put the biggest boat over here first. You wanna go?
I like to twist it though to make sure you got threads.
That's what you do. I just want to go say it. That's good. Smart to do. Alright. Yep, got a push pin to go there. Push pin. It was a bolt here. I did that. Push pin, a push pin go there. Cause I
Those here.
yep, I knew for sure about one time. Hey, we got the push pins right here, so we can always just show you what I mean by that middle and bottom. This is why you separate it from there, because you push this in. Okay, this one is too big for this car's trim. Let's go here. All right, everything nice and snug, won't move at all. I don't even feel no weight doing it. You don't even feel no weight doing it. It's all in right here. It hit that wall. It hit this wall. You don't need no arms to change no. Well, never mind. You gotta tighten it up. See, I can't mind the things I feel from this hard turn. If I got even, it's hard turn. I'm only gonna think about the threes right now. sure nothing's underneath all the time. Just a quick check. Treat it like it's a road horse. Some back suspension work.
How tight is that?
Tight as you can get it. Don't forget the hubcap. This hole to go where the tire stem is, where you put your air. So make sure you don't forget that. You have to take it right back off. Start about 3 of them, and that's your hole.
With this being plastic, you just tweak it and not torque it.
Yeah, you just tweak it. Let's reconnect the negative cable. I'm gonna say where I got it hiding at.
Just the wrong piece. I can't see.
Good. And just that bolt there. Tight as it can. Go ahead. Alright, good to go. Work the cable. Won't come off. Alright. Now I don't know how they operate this light. It is broken, so I'm just gonna